In that process, I also carve out the 5 to 10 minute break. Here you are. I've been waiting for you. Today's video is going to be about how to start your day. Yes. How do you start your day? I am often asked by others, Tessa-Marie, share how you begin your day. So in this video, I am going to talk with you and give you 3 things that I do that you too can try to enable you to have a fulfilled day. So let's get this thing started. You are here now because you're looking for something. I am here because I have something to offer. And one of the most important things we can do is to set an intention to have the day we desire in front of us. The very first thing that I do is take time in the morning to pray and meditate. You see, it doesn't necessarily have to be prayer from a religion, because prayer is a heart-to-heart talk to God, the universe, whoever you believe is bigger and greater or there to help and assist you. And it's a conversation. Time spent in a conversation first thing in the morning with self through meditation and inflecting is time that helps you to live a better life. Emotional balance comes from meditation and prayer. It does not have to do for many hours. You do not have to do it for 6-7 hours at a time. You can do as little as 5 minutes. The entire thing is stopping in the moment, and even all you could do for those 5 minutes is to take deep breaths. That is so important, that you're taking these deep breaths in that moment. But the more you practice this, and the more you become aware that you need to take the time in the morning to acknowledge that you are alive, is amazing. That act of an acknowledgement opens doors for us. It opens opportunities for us. Miracles begin to pour into our life, and we live a magically fulfilled life because we have given ourselves that love, that desire to acknowledge, hey, I am here, I'm okay, I am alive today, and today I have another opportunity to be who I desire to be. And that is really good. When I get up and I stretch out before I get out of the bed, I connect with every part of my body. It's like I'm doing a body scan. And when I do this body scan and I place my feet on the floor, I know I am there. I'm acknowledging, thank you. And then I go into my meditation. And during meditation, all you need to do is to stop and breathe and expect, your mind will wander, but it's okay. But at least you're aware that your mind is wandering. And if it is going where you do not desire it to go, guess what? You can pull it back. And that's what is the miracle of the things to do in the morning. The second thing to do in the morning is to become aware. Are you aware? When you are aware, you go into this time to do a little bit of awareness practice. In my case, is exercise, stretching, not weights and measures and running and jogging. I stretch every limb in its own place. I do a 30-minute exercise every morning. And it's actually like maybe some would be, you call them yoga, but it's stretching, moving the areas that felt tight. They said, motion is lotion. You know, if your skin is dry, you want to lotion it to make it feel better. That's what some stretching and exercises does for the body. So make sure you do that every day. And that's what is important. Spend time every morning in stretching the body, twisting the neck back and forth, throwing it up, bringing it down, moving the shoulders, doing a hunch. Anything like that will help. That is what you have to do. You are aware. And when you're doing this, you will come across the feeling of tightness in the body, where the body is not running as smoothly as you would like it to run. And yes, that is something we have to connect to, is that awareness time, to be aware and make sure that we're stretching that body, giving it some reason to move, because sometimes in our day-to-day life, not every part of the body is moving. Simple things, like while you're sitting, to massage that and to make sure the blood is flowing to the ends of the limbs, the feet, the toes, the neck. You can do them yourself and you go as far as you can go. But stretching and yoga poses and relaxing and releasing the body helps. And that's what I do. That's the two. So we will look at number 3 in a few minutes. Right now, I'm going to tell you what number 3 is all about. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here. And you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. So, I said I had 3 tips for you of how to start your day, which I practice, and many people want to know what I do. I give you number 1 and number 2, prayer and meditation, and awareness, connecting with your body through exercise. The other one that I do, is to realize the now moment. I begin to practice that after the exercise, after my prayer. Being in the moment of now. Now. That requires acknowledging where you are, what you're experiencing, where your thoughts are going. Because the moment you step into the energy of the day, you are going. And if you allow your thoughts to pull you back to horrible experiences of yesterday and yesteryears, you're not in the moment. And truly living a fulfilled life, one should always make sure they are in the present moment. You see, the past is history. The future is a mystery. We do not know what it brings, but we know what is going on right now in the present moment. And that is what should matter. Now, the world is constantly speaking and shouting at us through TV, through the internet, through social media. But we have to realize that when we are in the process of entering that day after our prayer and our meditation, that one of the things we have to be, we were aware of the body, and now we have to be aware of our actions and our thoughts. Where are they going? The now, are they going down a rabbit hole of the past? That is not nice. Pull it back. Listen. And if you do not know what to do, or if your life is so full and you can't make a decision of which way to go, what should you do first? Practice my little tip of being in the present moment. The most difficult thing that I have to do today, I do it first. That is the now moment. If it is talking to someone, it's not going to be pleasant, or whatever, I do it first. I found out over the years of practicing this in the morning that once I got what was not nice or not suitable, not enjoyable, but must be done by me, out of the way, I found out I could do a lot more with the things that I love to do. In that process, I also carve out the 5 to 10 minute break. So you have just done the most difficult, challenging thing on your list of goals to make sure you get done today. What do you do after that? I grab a glass with water and I sit down for 10 minutes. I have the 10 minutes to spare, so I choose to use the 10 minutes. But you are employed, you have children, a family, very busy life. You do not have 10 minutes to spare, but you can spare 3 to 5. You drop the device, you leave it alone, and you, in the moment of noise, now no devices, no TV, no radio, no television, no nothing. It's just you and an 8-ounce glass of water for 3 minutes. And you just literally pause. That's all you have to do for that, being in now. When this is done, then you take the next now thing to do. You maybe have other things to do, or maybe it's to just read or go on social media. But you are doing the things that you desire to do in the now moment. You're not hopping into the future and worrying about what you cannot control, or worrying about the past, what you cannot change. This is what it's all about. And these are the 3 tips I have for you today. And these are the 3 things I practice. Prayer and meditation, number 1. Number 2, being aware of my body and connecting with my body through exercise and breathing. And number 3, consciously, intentionally focusing on the moments of now and taking a break between each and every task that I perform as I go through the day. Thank you for listening, and have an absolutely wonderful and beautiful day. If you like this video, just hang on. More videos of that type are coming your way. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The more subscribers we have, the bigger the content and the guests will come. So have a marvelous and amazing day.